After the Civil Aviation Ministry's in-principle nod to the Jewar Airport near Greater Noida, the real estate players working along the region are upbeat. But all may not be hunky-dory. Voices of dissent from the farmer community have started emerging. Locals are dissatisfied by the compensation being offered. Oinitam Ojha travels to Jewar to get a sense of the mood on the ground.
For people like Dharminder, a Russian shop owner in Kishorpur, a tiny hamlet of Jewar, the place where the airport would be built, news of the proposed international airport has come more as a cause of worry than joy. Dharminder is among the 500 villagers here who are spending sleepless nights as they are unsure about their future. Concerns regarding compensation, regarding life and livelihood once their land is gone, has kept them awake whole night.
70% अनपढ़ हैं, उनको परिवार में से एक को नौकरी सफाई कर्मचारी के लिए भी मिल जाए, तब भी उसमें परिवार का पालन बढ़िया तरह से हो सकता है, क्योंकि 30% तो पढ़े लिखे हैं, वो अपनी बिजनेस कर पाएंगे बढ़िया तरह से। बाकी 70% ऐसे हैं कि हमारे गांव में अनपढ़ हैं और अपनी मेहनत मजदूरी कर रहे हैं। उनको हैगा एक परिवार में से एक कोई सफाई कर्मचारी की जगह पे ही सही, झाड़ू वाड़ू पे ही उसको एक नौकरी मिल जाए तो उसका पालन बढ़िया तरह से हो सकता है, जब तो हमारा गांव का विकास की तरफ है, वरना कुछ भी नहीं है, बर्बादी की तरफ है।
The farmers, aware and conscious of their rights, are demanding better compensation and facilities.
हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो क्षेत्र के किसान यहाँ से व्यवस्थित तरीके से हटाए जाएं, उनको रोजगार मुहैया कराया जाए, सही बाजार रेट का 4 गुना मूल्य पे उनको मुआवजा दिया जाए, शिक्षा के साधन अच्छे से अच्छे उनके लिए जुटाए जाएं, और जो भी सेक्टरों में सुविधाएं होती हैं, कॉमर्शियल सुविधाएं उनके लिए, व्यावसायिक सुविधाएं, सारी सुविधाएं उनको दी जाएं, और ऐसा ना हो कि एक अच्छीकरण को देखते देखते कहीं धुंधली तस्वीर इसमें निकल के आए, क्योंकि जब उद्योग लगते हैं ज़्यादातर स्थानीय लोगों को नज़रअंदाज कर दिया जाता है।
After a wait of over 15 years, the Union's Civil Aviation Ministry recently gave in-principle nod for the international airport at Jewar. The government would require about 3,000 hectares for the airport. The estimated cost to build the airport is about 20,000 crore rupees. It is expected to be operational by 2022. However, unlike the farmers, this news has brought some cheer to the real estate players.
Coming Jewar Airport is probably the best news that Noida and the surrounding areas could have ever got, because that airport will actually be, at the fulcrum of a very important transit corridor, as we understand that Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor DMIC from Dadri passes through the similar from the surrounding, and you also will be able to cater to the entire tourist traffic going to Agra for the Taj tourism.
The property markets of Greater Noida and Ghaziabad are expected to reap the maximum benefits. Other markets which too are expected to benefit include Agra, Mathura, Meerut, Aligarh, Bulandshahr, Palwal and Vrindavan.
It's just a matter of time now. With the airport coming up, Jewar will transform into a world-class city. But what the government will have to take a lot of care about are issues related to compensation, rehabilitation and resettlement of the project-affected families. From Jewar, Oinitam Ojha, NDTV.